Follow these simple steps to place text behind the subject or object of a photo using Photoshop. Let's start by inserting an image. Select subject. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate. Press T and type a text. Move layer 1 to the top. Finally, adjust the position of the text. Finished. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.